Hey guys, first I want to start off by saying Happy New Year's. I hope the year 2023 is going to be phenomenal for you. First consignment boat of the year. This is the NauticStar 227 XTS, or if you go on their website, it does say Bay. XTS stands for Extreme Tournament Edition. I'll get a little bit more into that once we get up in the boat and I can show you the features. This one does come in the lower half white hull, trimmed in the gray. Personal favorite color of mine is the gray. I love the just traditional kind of neutral colors on the boat. As we're moving to the back, this one is powered by a Mercury 200 Pro XS. It is the performance motor by Mercury. It pushes this boat extremely well. And if you've ever heard the Mercury Pro XS start up, it kind of gives you that old school American muscle feel. It has a very nice aggressive start sound. If you're by the dock and you hear one of these start up, it will turn your head. As you can see on the back side, there is a boarding ladder on the port side. Lenco trim tabs, underwater LED lights for those early mornings or late night trips. You can just have a nice ambiance of color underneath the boat. It really gives the aesthetics on this boat very well. Now that we talked a little bit, let's hop inside. Okay, now that we're up here in the boat, previously I mentioned that this is the XTS version, which stands for Extreme Tournament Edition. Now, what I mean by that is on this back side, as we have it sitting right now, it is a full casting platform. If I'm back here fishing, I have plenty of running around space. If I'm hooked up to a fish, I can run around the boat. But then we're done fishing and we want to go hang out with the friends and family. Each 3 of these are all flip up seats. Beneath each seat is a designated compartment on both port and starboard side. There is access to your batteries. In the middle, you will have access to a live well hooked up with a recirc pump, so you can always keep your tournament fish alive if you need to. On the back side, on both sides, are additional storage. On the port side, there is a cast net bucket. Simple and easy. It's fitted for a 5-gallon bucket, so it's simple and easy just to click in there. On the back side over here, it is just additional tackle storage. Plenty of rod storage. We have 4 rocket launchers here on the seat, as well as 4 more on the canvas top. Also 3 more on both port and starboard side. So no matter what fish you're going after, if you wanted to fish multiple species in a day, you have plenty of room to be able to store multiple different style of rods. The seating has the igloo cooler underneath it, so you can replace that if you needed to over time. Has flip down seats for extra comfort. This one is paired with a Simrad 9-inch screen. I'm a huge fan of Simrad myself. There are a lot of boats with Garmin's. At the end of the day, can't really go wrong with which one you choose. It's just what you like. Underwater light tabs here, trim tabs here. Additional storage underneath. There's also where your trolling motor batteries will be located. And again, I pointed out this does come with a nice canvas T-top with an LED light to cast on the back for those early morning, nighttime rigging up. And let's finish up in the front. And finally, when we're up here at the bow, again, XTS, Extreme Tournament Edition. I need a lot of deck space for when I'm fighting my fish. As you can see, there is plenty of room up here. This one also, as I'm sitting on, is a pedestal fishing seat. You see a lot of these on the bass boats for long days fishing on the water. Your back starts to hurt. So let's pair it with one of these seats. And as I'm sitting here, I can feel my lower back is not hurting at all. And the center console, it is paired with the live well, as well as additional storage for your tackle boxes. On both sides, rod locking storage compartments, which is excellent on those long trips. If you're taking multiple tackle with you and you just don't want to worry about it getting stolen, just lock it up. It does have 2 additional storage compartments. One can be used as a fish box if you choose. Finally, up here, we do have a Minn Kota trolling motor. This is a really neat feature as well, and not all of them have it, so it's really neat that this one does. This has a motor tilt switch, so if you're up here on the trolling motor hitting those flats and you start to go in shallower water and you have your outboard lowered down, you can actually trim the motor up from here rather than running all the way to the back. Just simple little features that help out at the end of the day to make your fishing more enjoyable. If you want to know more about this boat, see it, take it on the water, experience the quality for yourself, please come see me. Again, my name is Jacob Wright, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. You can reach me at 850-819-9106. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.